Gray should have been a gray. The fact that 7 was pretty much a rehash of 4 was a terrible idea. But if it wasn't, fans would have revolted. No matter what, fans were guaranteed to revolt and have issues with it. That's definitely a no-win situation. They had to do something very familiar to appease crotchety old fans like me. I'm not that crotchety, but folks in my class and my age and such, fans of the original trilogy, they needed to grasp the hearts of fans of the original trilogy and show that, look, we can do physical stuff. We can do stuff that's not CGI. We can do stuff that you're familiar with, and we can introduce a little bit new. But we can do what George Lucas said and do the whole poetry thing, which is it's one of his key contributions. It's repeating everything. A lot did not watch 9. Will say Ray and Ben were amazing on screen together. Only good thing. I say Babu Frick. Also, all the cinematography was great. Toe Brony, how's it going? You came in right at the end. Story how Ben turned to the dark side, poorly executed. Luke's transition. They didn't have enough time. It's possible she would be a gray if Disney finds a way to make their dumpster fire worse. Yeah, I feel like I disagree. I disagree with your view. I like Star Wars. I'm a fan of Star Wars. I don't like hating things. I'm not a blind Disney hater. I don't automatically hate everything just because it has a Disney label on it. And George Lucas did a lot of damage to Star Wars. Star Wars was never amazing in the first place, objectively speaking, though I love it. Star Wars Star Trek crossover. Do not need to see Rey anymore. Yeah. Babu Frick was as a crew chief for a pod racing team. Oh, God. Technical marvel for sure. Never amazing unless we're talking Kodor. All right, folks, I need to eat. My food is getting cold rapidly right now. Dehik.
Thank you very much for that, Jang. I'm sure Amaranth is very appreciative.
Spaceballs is amazing. Spaceballs for life. Spaceballs and Office Space. And Galaxy Quest. That's a good life. All right, folks. I'm going to take off rapidly. Oh, God. I need to go back and watch this. I think I saw one of those movies in the theater. Thank you for hanging out. All done prepping armor for next week, other than painting. This is oh yeah, there. With the top coat. National Treasure. Yes, they did put out an Ewok movie. Yep. I'm gonna rate us because we're doing. Wait, let me just quadruple check real quick to see if there's a small Gundam streamer who I've not rated into. But I'm gonna be doing a lot of Lego tomorrow. Well, that's cool. Oh, that's cool. Sorry, I have to do this thing where I check around stuff. But I was planning to raid us out to Gunpla Neon, who was here earlier. Yeah, I'm gonna do exactly that. All right. Let me get that going. If you can be so kind as to copy and paste one of those messages, depending upon whether you're a subscriber or not. And I hope to see many of you back tomorrow, and many more as well, as I get into some Star Wars Lego builds and other themes as well. I've got a bunch of stuff here, so I'm going to be busy. I got some Marvel stuff. I got some city stuff, some Minecraft stuff. So I'm going to be busy for the rest of the week and beyond. Go. Off we go. Please follow the raid over, and if you like Gunpla, at the very least drop a nice, big, thick follow on Gunpla Neon. I've learned a lot of what I know from him, and he's a big supporter of Gunpla streamers in general. Spreading the good word, and the good, is that acceptable for you? Is prep the water cannons. Don't overdo it with that. Give him a chance. Give him a chance to say hello to folks. You know, give him at least a chance to say hello to folks, and then you can go crazy afterwards. Thank you, everybody. I'll see you again soon. Take care. Be well. Be good to one another. Be good to yourselves. And thank you for being good to me.